Hey, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how I made these Glam mirror crystal canvases. They were super easy to make and can be used for a variety of things such as wall decor, candle holders, or coasters. They are perfect for adding a little extra sparkle to any room in the house. I used products I had in my collection, but as always, I will link where you can get the materials down in the description box below. Now, let's get started. First, I have these small square canvases I got in a pack of 5 from Michaels. I'm going to use some paper as well for when I paint. Next, I have these small square mirror coasters I got from the Dollar Tree. They are perfect for DIY projects like this, and I'm going to be making 3 mirror canvases, so I have 3 mirrors. I'm going to be using some gem wrap for this project. I couldn't decide on which pattern I wanted, but I ultimately went with one I had pre-cut from another project I did earlier this year. I got my gem wrap from an online website, but you can find gem wrap at any craft store near you. I'm going to be using some silver gray paint I got from the store, 2 different adhesives, some scissors, and a paintbrush as well. I used gray paint, but feel free to use any color that matches your decor. So I started to paint my canvases, and I went in with 2 coats of paint so I could have a nice, rich gray color. I picked the gray because it matches my decor and will help hide any spaces between the gem wrap and the mirror. Once I finished painting, I set the canvases aside and flipped the mirror coasters over. You're going to want to remove the black felt tips on the back, which will allow the mirror coaster to lay flat onto the canvas when we attach it. I tried to remove the stickers. You're welcome to do so as well. I kind of gave up after that a little bit, but you can remove the stickers if you want. My mirror coasters were also super dirty, so I cleaned them, but it was kind of a waste because they got my fingerprints all over them anyway. Now that my canvases are dry, it's time to attach the mirrors. I started to place my tacky glue on the canvas, but decided it worked better to place the glue directly onto the back of the mirror so I could align it the way I wanted after attaching it without getting glue all over the place. I'm using E6000 on the back of this mirror. I like mixing tacky glue and E6000 on projects like this one because it does dry quickly but not as quick as hot glue, which I like because I can still maneuver and manipulate the mirror the way I want it to look as I add more pieces to the project. Now let's go ahead and attach the mirror. You can see me in the mirror. Hey! I went ahead and pressed down to get the glue and the canvas to touch. And then I waited for the glue to dry a little bit, so here's what it looks like when it's dry. And now we're going to go ahead and add the gem wrap. So here I'm adding some tacky glue, and I'm taking my clean paintbrush and just spreading that tacky glue all around the sides of the open space next to the mirror. And I guess it's not really gem wrap, it's more like a rhinestone wrap, but you know what I meant. I went ahead and measured and cut how much I wanted to use and put that baby right where that glue was. I'm just taking my finger and firmly placing that rhinestone wrap down to the tacky glue. So since I had some open space, I really wanted to give it another extra shine or a different pop, so I added a different rhinestone wrap to it, and I really liked the way it came together. Here's what the 2 rhinestone wraps look like next to each other. I absolutely love it. I really didn't know what design I wanted to go with for this project, but I'm really happy with the way it turned out. So now you're just going to repeat the process you did to the other open sides. After adding all the sides and waiting a few hours to dry, you now have this beautiful Glam mirror canvas. It's such a versatile piece and is a great addition to your bedroom or bathroom wall, a centerpiece plate, or even a glass coaster. You can also use a bigger canvas with a larger mirror if you're feeling inspired. Whatever you decide to do with it, make it your own. I hope you enjoyed this quick video. I post a new video on Thursdays, so if you liked this video, click that subscribe button at the bottom so you know when I post the next video. If you do decide to recreate this piece, let me know in the comment section down below. I can't wait to see what we create together. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye!